bouncing around, bouncing. Ronke. I like saying her name like that. I hope she doesn't hate that. So the wig that I'm wearing today is Sasha, and her full name is MLF 195 Sasha, and she's a premium synthetic wig. This wig is safe to use with heat. It doesn't say how much heat, but it says it has premium high heat fibers, so you can use heat. It has a handmade deep part that is 4 inches deep. All right, let's get into this review. Hey Royals, hey Royals. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. My name is Liz, aka Royal Beauty. So welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in for another wig review. It's time for a wig review. All of that. Never mind my poppy lip. As a matter of fact, we're going to take this off so you guys can focus, because I know how y'all get. You're going to be so focused on my lips, you're not even going to watch the video, and that's just wrong. We're going to do a nice nude lip, and then we're going to come back and we're going to talk. Okay? So I just wanted to calm it down, tone it down, so that you guys can focus on the hair, because this hair is popping. This hair is everything. It's giving me life. It's cute. So, what do you think? 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 I have not done a review for my squad, my love So Good shop in a while. Yo, I love them so much. They're so freaking like loyal, caring, and I really appreciate our partnership. So I'm definitely like happy to like get back to reviewing for them. I'm kind of working for them, but the fact that they take their time out to like big me up on little random stuff that has nothing to do with So Good makes me feel good. It makes me feel like they really do appreciate me as a person. So I love that, and I'm very grateful, because they were actually the first people to send me a wig ever. They were actually the first people to give me a chance out here, and now that my platform is growing the way that it is, I definitely want to always give them credit and love on them tenfold. So I'm happy again to get back to reviewing for them. I've been so busy and consumed with a lot of things. So hey, So Good again. I love you guys. Thank you guys for sending me this unit. The wig that I'm rocking today is from Bobbi Boss. Okay. Another good thing So Good is great for is they always have the most poppin' Bobbi Boss units. They carry all of Bobbi Boss all day, every day, and when they send me a Bobbi Boss unit, I know it's going to be fleeky. Okay, I love this unit because it is another bob. Because the bobs that they come out with, they're always crisp and proper. It's really nice. Now the only thing I think it's because I'm short. I have a short neck, and the bob really should be like under here. I think on a taller person, this bob would have been like right here. Like really cute, like how Xenon is on me, but it's not. It's kind of like right here, which is cool. No, actually, you know what? I'm tripping. The card is fine. That's exactly what the card looks like. So, but you see how like that part of her, it's like right here. Nah, I'm not bugging. I have a short neck. You see this? It's like hanging. It's like hanging right there, but it's not bad. It's very cute. If I did decide to cut it, I would snip this little piece right there, but I won't. I will leave it. I would probably use like a razor comb, to kind of just feather it a little bit out and lighten the load back here to kind of really give it like a bob feel, like an angled bob. But I like it nonetheless. It's very sleek, cute, and as always, their part is on point. Look at that. That part is amazing. I really like it. And it does have Swiss lace. So I did cut some lace. The lace came around the front, as a lace front, and I just cut that off before I got on here. I did place a little bit of setting powder just about here, right into the parting. Nothing else to this. I didn't pluck it. I didn't do anything to it, and it's amazing. Like a lot of the Bobbi Boss wigs are phenomenal. Like you have no cons with a lot of these Bobbi Boss units. I love them. This one is kind of like a little bit on the silky side, which is fine. I think I would have loved it even more if it was like full yaki, but I still like it. what else can I say about it? Oh, the color that I have it in is TT4/1224. And I think that this is a really nice subtle color. It's not too blonde. It's not like a extremely platinum, loud blonde. It's a very subtle blonde. And the dark roots help it out really, really well. It's very nicely placed and very nicely ombreed into the blonde. So it looks very natural. And they did pretty good because you have the color all throughout the wig, all throughout the roots of the wig. So that's always a plus, and it's not just right here, because that looks so fake when you only have it right here and you don't have any more color all through here. So when the wind blows, it just, all you see is like yellow track or whatever. It does come with combs on the inside, so you have 2 combs and you have adjustable strap. You have a comb at the nape, so it's 3 combs. I'm not using any of the combs. I'm only using the adjustable strap, and it feels very comfortable, very snug. I would say that this wig is big head friendly because I could still fit my full hand back here even with the adjustable strap on. So I would say this wig is big head friendly. Again, it does have Swiss lace, and I will be listing all of the specs that I spoke about and did not speak about in the description box for you guys to check out. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, you guys. Make sure you follow me so you can keep up with me. When I'm not posting on here, I'm going live or I'm doing Insta stories on my Instagram. I'm posting on my Instagram. I'm commenting, so you can constantly keep in touch with me and communicate with me a lot more on my Instagram. So make sure you do that so that we can keep in touch and you know what's going on with your girl. I'm also going to start posting and selling a lot of the wigs that I've already worn at discounted prices. So make sure you check out the link down below for past wigs that I've had in the past that I'm not going to wear because I have so much of them. So if you would like to purchase any of those wigs, make sure you check down in the description box my website, royalbeauty.com. They are new. They've only been worn once just to review, and I'm never going to wear them again. So they're nicely packaged and waiting for owners. So if you are interested, make sure you check that out. And I'm done rambling. I am done for the day. That is it. That is it. That is all. That is it. That is all. That's it. That's all. Finish. We are done. Oh, and do not forget to check out my girl, Ronke Raji. I like saying her name like that. I hope she doesn't hate that. I really like saying her name. When she get married, I'm gonna feel bad because I'm still going to call her Ronke Raji. I'm missing the whole point. The point of me saying that was to check out her lip line with makeup for melanin girls. I'm super excited. Hey, out here doing it. Ronke with the collaboration. Y'all, that's what I'm wearing on my lips. And I will be doing a review on that as well, so stay tuned. Love you guys so much. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next video. Stay royal. Okay, that was totally Aaliyah Janelle's. Hopefully she don't come for me. Bye, queens and kings.